Artificial intelligence is transforming industries at an unprecedented pace. With 2025 expected to be the year AI agents become integral to daily life and business operations. AI is now evolving beyond Moore's law, doubling in performance every 6 months, enhancing productivity, efficiency, and decision making across various sectors. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. AI agents are emerging as proactive digital assistants, streamlining complex tasks. For instance, AI tools can draft legal documents, summarize meetings, and automate workflows, saving professionals valuable time. By handling repetitive work, AI allows individuals to focus on innovation and strategic decision making, improving overall workplace efficiency. One of AI's most impactful applications is in healthcare. AI-powered medical co-pilots are equipping young doctors with expert-level insights, bridging the knowledge gap and democratizing medical expertise. AI-driven digital nurses are also enhancing patient care by ensuring treatment adherence, improving healthcare accessibility, and reducing the burden on medical professionals. In corporate environments, AI is redefining productivity. AI-powered email assistants, for example, can filter and prioritize messages, saving employees up to 30 minutes daily. By eliminating mundane tasks, AI helps professionals focus on critical work, reducing burnout and fostering job satisfaction. Contrary to fears of job displacement, AI is expanding the workforce. By increasing efficiency, businesses attract more clients, driving economic growth and creating new employment opportunities. AI is not eliminating jobs, but reshaping them, requiring workers to develop new skills. Continuous learning is essential in this evolving AI landscape. Employees who adapt and master AI tools will thrive, while those who resist may struggle. The key is to integrate AI as an enabler rather than view it as a threat. By embracing AI as a collaborative tool, businesses and individuals can unlock new opportunities, foster innovation, and accelerate economic growth, making 2025 a defining year for AI-driven transformation. Let's look into today's headline. India removes 90 lakh YouTube videos in Q3 2024-25. YouTube announced that it has removed more than 9 million videos for violating its community guidelines in the October to December 2024 period. Child safety violations accounted for the majority of removals at 54%, followed by harmful and dangerous content with 16%. Other violations included violence, nudity, harassment, hate speech, and misinformation. YouTube reported that 96.5% of flagged videos were detected automatically without human intervention. Additionally, 55% of these videos were taken down before receiving any views. Rupees 1 lakh crore fund for private sector research close to approval. The government is finalizing a Rupees 1 lakh crore fund to boost private sector investment in core R&D. Prime Minister Narendra Modi chaired the first general board meeting of the Anusandhan National Research Foundation on September 10 of 2024 in New Delhi. Anusandhan National Research Foundation is expected to manage the fund, offering low-interest, long-term loans to private firms for innovation. This initiative aims to drive novel product development and new intellectual property, strengthening India's research ecosystem. HCL founder Shiv Nadar transfers 47% stake to his daughter Roshni Nadar Malhotra. HCL Group founder Shiv Nadar has gifted 47% of his stake in HCL Corp and Vama Delhi, the promoter entities of the group, to his daughter Roshni Nadar Malhotra in a strategic transfer as part of a well-planned succession strategy. With this transfer, Roshni Nadar Malhotra will become the largest shareholder of HCL Infosystems Limited and HCL Tech, solidifying her position in the company founded by her father and making her one of the richest persons in India. This makes Roshni Nadar Malhotra the fourth richest person in India after Mukesh Ambani, Gautam Adani, and Savitri Jindal and family. Microsoft's AI reasoning models to compete with OpenAI. Microsoft is developing in-house artificial intelligence reasoning models to compete with OpenAI and may sell them to developers. Redmond, a Washington-based company, a major backer of OpenAI, has begun testing out models for xAI, Meta, and DeepSeek as potential OpenAI replacements in Copilot. The company is considering releasing the MAI models later this year as an application programming interface, which will allow outside developers to weave these models into their own apps. Reliance Jio launches recharge plan with Jio Hotstar subscription for ₹100. Following the Jio Cinema and Disney Plus Hotstar merger, Reliance Jio has introduced a new data-only recharge plan that includes a 90-day Jio Hotstar subscription along with 5 GB of data for ₹100. This plan is currently listed on Jio.com with a validity of 90 days. Unlike the regular Jio Hotstar mobile plan, which costs ₹149 for 90 days and limits access to mobile phones, this plan allows users to stream web series, movies, and live sports, such as the upcoming IPL 2025, on both smartphones and smart TVs at up to 1080p resolution. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.